Hi guys! In today's video I'm showing you how to check ad history on TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless. Before starting the process, make sure your TikTok app is up to date. And how can you check it? Simply open the Google Play Store in your mobile phone or Apple Store in iOS devices. From there, search for TikTok app and tap on it and check it's updated or not. And if it's not, then update it from there. After it, open the TikTok application by tapping on it. And here you can see different options on the bottom of your mobile screen. And in the right bottom, you can see two options, Inbox and Profile. From here, tap on this option Profile. Here tap on these three lines, which are on the top right. And in the pop-up, tap on the last option, Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. And here you can see the option Ads. Tap on it. On the second number, can see the option Mute Advertisers. And you can also read mute ads from specific advertisers who showed you ads recently on TikTok. Now tap on it. So from these advertisers, I was getting ads on TikTok. So it was primary way by which you can check ads history on TikTok.